of '98, the poor rose up and spoke against the cruel landlords, the crown and the yoke. All they ever longed for was peace and dignity, fighting for an Ireland devoid of tyranny. They gathered in Wexford with freedom as the cry. The yeomen came in brutal to burn, torture and deny. No law in their justice, just lashes and the noose. But the people stood defiant with nothing to lose. At Enniscorthy they sent the redcoats back in fright. At Tubberneering the yokes fell left and right. They fought in County Wexford, spilled blood upon the sod, waiting for the French to come and even up the odds. From Ulster to Connacht the flames of freedom spread. Antrim's men stood strong where many redcoats bled. Rebels marched through Kildare, defiant and unbowed. In Mayo they rose, defiant, fierce and proud. It came to a bitter end, the leaders betrayed. The French arrived too late, their landing much delayed. The rebels broke and scattered in pockets of resistance. The redcoats swarmed to wipe out all rebel existence. They stretched out Father Murphy, broke him on the rack. The hangings in Dublin brought fear and sorrow back. The French fleet met defeat off Donegal's rough shore. The revolution '98 was crushed forevermore.